Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024, 2023 Audi S5. As the automotive industry charges into 2024, the sport compact car segment is ablaze with excitement, showcasing an impressive lineup of models that combine performance, style, and sophistication. Among the frontrunners is the 2023 Audi S5, a car that continues to captivate enthusiasts with its dynamic performance, luxurious amenities, and striking design. 2023 Audi S5, a masterclass in performance and elegance. The 2023 Audi S5 epitomizes the pinnacle of sport compact cars, blending exhilarating performance with refined luxury. At its core lies a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine that produces a robust 349 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, delivering relentless acceleration and exceptional traction in all driving conditions. The S5's performance is further enhanced by its sport-tuned suspension and dynamic steering system, which provide precise handling and agility. Whether navigating twisty mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the S5 offers a thrilling driving experience that leaves a lasting impression. Visually, the 2023 Audi S5 exudes elegance and athleticism. Its sculpted body lines, bold grille, and aggressive air intakes command attention on the road, while the signature S5 badging and quad exhaust outlets hint at its performance pedigree. Available in coupe, convertible, and sportback body styles, the S5 offers versatility to suit a variety of tastes and lifestyles. Inside the cabin, the S5 boasts a luxurious and tech-forward interior that blends comfort with sophistication. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents create an upscale atmosphere, while advanced features like Audi's virtual cockpit, MMI infotainment system, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system provide convenience and entertainment on every drive. Other notable sport compact cars for 2024. While the Audi S5 shines brightly, it shares the spotlight with several other impressive contenders in the sport compact car segment. 2023 BMW M240i, known for its potent inline-six engine and engaging handling, the M240i delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Mercedes-AMG CLA 45, with its turbocharged four-cylinder engine and high-tech interior, the CLA 45 offers a blend of performance and luxury. Lexus IS 500F Sport, featuring a powerful V8 engine and refined interior, the IS 500F Sport combines performance with Lexus' renowned reliability and comfort. Infiniti Q60 Red Sport 400, with its twin-turbo V6 engine and stylish design, the Q60 Red Sport 400 offers a compelling alternative in the sport compact segment. Conclusion. As we embark on 2024, the sport compact car market continues to impress with a diverse array of models that cater to discerning drivers. The 2023 Audi S5 stands out as a true standout, offering a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and style. Whether you're drawn to the S5's dynamic driving dynamics or the unique offerings of its competitors, the best sport compact cars of 2024 promise an exhilarating and unforgettable driving experience.